Hey, what is up guys, this is FNH here, and today I'm going to be showing you how you can fix your Xiaomi Mi Band if it doesn't charge. So I've had this for a while, and I've been using it for a couple years now, and all of a sudden it's just stopped charging. Okay, even when I plugged it into the charger, it would not charge, it wouldn't recognize it, so it's been dead for a little while. This is basically, this happens to a lot of people, right? So I'm just going to show you a quick way to basically fix this issue. It's really simple, right? What you want to do is take out the charger from the case, from the band I should say, right? I should say the actual device from the band, and then you have your charger here. Okay, what you need for this is basically some tissue, right, and your finger. Alright, so I have a piece of tissue right here, right, and all you need to do is wipe down these endpoints. Okay, so make sure you wipe it down pretty good. You can make it a little wet also, that would probably help a little more, but make sure you wipe it down pretty good, and if you use it wet, make sure to dry it first, and then you want to do the same with the charger. Okay, so put that down. Okay, you want to wipe down the charger for charger also. Okay, so basically what happens is after using it for a little while, these endpoints get covered up with small sediments and other things, so dust and other particles. So you want to do just basically wipe them off, so when these two connections touch, they make a proper connection and it's not covered by dust or anything. Okay, so once you do that, it should be working the way it was. So yeah, if you guys have any questions or comments on any on this very simple tutorial, let me know. Let me know if you guys if it still doesn't work for you guys. Maybe I can find out another issue that is pretty common for people. So yeah, make sure to like the video, don't forget to subscribe, and I will see you guys next time.